guys, today we talk about how can you select changer on your channel Tango app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, sorry, or you just click on your name here. So then it's going to take you to next zip here, then you go above this sign, click on it. So then you come to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on your changer here. When you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. That here can you select if you want to add family or male here, then you click on set. So I'm going to click here for example male, then you click on set, and like you see now it's add with us. So when you down, just go above this sign, click on it, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.